What is up, guys? We finally got the drone again. We're out here. This time we're gonna try something different. I got a mount for my handlebars and I added this to mount to my handlebars to keep an eye on my controller, and so if I do lose track of it, I can put it back again. But this time we're gonna try something different. Instead, we are gonna try doing this from a distance. Too short kings, kickstand first. Always forget. So we're gonna get it to draw that box over us. We're gonna put active track, auto, and then we're gonna have go. Now it's right there. We're gonna start recording and let's see if we can keep the footage. Let's go. We're gonna stay in first gear and see if this keeps up with us. Hopefully it does. We're out here out on the mesa, beautiful view, and yeah, so far this mount's holding up. 2 bolts in the back, tighten. Oh damn, I lost track of us already. Damn, where are we at? Hopefully. Over here. Let's go down. Oh, right there. See right there. Active track again. Yeah, let's do manual. Go. And then let's see if it can keep up with us. Let's have it go around. Woo. See if it can do that. And then we'll see it coming around. There it is. Oh yeah. Right there. Doing so good right now. In first gear. Wow, taking a lot. Tighten this up. Tighten this up. Woo. Doing good. So far, so good. There it is. What up? Still recording. Oh bro, I forgot to put my gloves on. So far so good, keeping an eye on us. Oh yeah. Better now. There's one inside of us. I think it only loses track of us when it gets behind us. Let's see if we can get it to the front again. Ooh, there you go. What up? There you are. Big turn. I'm so glad this mount's holding up. And the drone's keeping us. Ooh, it makes me feel so much better. Thank you so much for doing this. Woo! Let's get a nice view. Let's get it all back here and then we'll get it all the way around. Heck yeah. While it's doing that, let's put my gloves on. Oh, let's get it right there. Put my gloves back on. Woo, yeah. 75% battery life so far. So far, so good. Mount holding up for the controller. Beautiful view from the drone. I'm loving it. Check out this view. It's so gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. I'm so glad this is actually starting to work now. Make sure everything stays nice and tight. Loosen this right there. Booyah. Yep. Woo! What up, gang? Let's go. Let's keep going. See if it could do this. Where's it at? There it is. Ground so far so good. Come on, don't let me down, baby. Picking up the speed this time. Let's see if we can get it in front of us. Oh, there you go. Woo, woo! There you go. There you are. Wow, so amazing! I'm so glad it's keeping up this time, baby! Woo! Second test is working! Woo! There you are. Don't be talking to me. Oh, are you kidding me?
No! It can't be! No!
Manual, go. Let's try this again. I think I was going too fast. Hopefully it can do this time. Let's get it. Come on, baby, do it. I just need you to do your job, baby. Try to stay in front of me. Let's do this. In front of me. There you go. We'll go slow till it gets in front of me. Should be going around here. Go down. First gear. Oh, damn it, I lost track of me. Further back, as it backs up. Let's go. Let's do this. I think it did better from the side, actually. Let's try to do this from the side. There you go. There it is. So much better. Woo! go. Now it's doing its job. It's gonna either U-turn. It should be landing on that box, just so it can keep all the dirt away from all that stuff and everything. It's not landing.
Landing.
Oh. Damn, that's exactly what I didn't want it to happen. Whew. The drone versus the yz250x part 2. Out here, out in the mesa again, wide open space, no obstructions or anything. Sports mode did a decent job keeping up with us on the run. Let me get you. It did a good job keeping up with us on the run. You know, we were doing pretty good. Regular mode, or what is it, standard mode, did a good job too. Or is it neutral mode? Yeah, neutral mode instead of cruising. That one did a good job. So I probably would just rather keep it in neutral, just so it's not draining the battery as fast, because the moment I switched it to sports mode, drained the battery. The best position to put it in is on the side of you, where it can, like, a little bit in the front and on the side of you. So even if it goes in front of you or starts to fall behind, it's still on. It's gonna try to fight to get in front of you, and it'll keep an eye on you a lot better, is what I've noticed. It's doing the best it can. Yeah, worst position is probably behind, because then it starts to lose track of you for sure, because then it's fighting to stay behind you, but then you're leaving it behind, and then you can't really keep an eye on it either if you are doing that. So the best thing to do is to try to keep it in front of you, and it can track you. But if it's directly in front of you, then it might start to try to look down, and if you pass it, it's gonna lose you completely. But those are my thoughts on the DJI drone keeping up, or the DJI drone versus the 2-stroke motorcycle. I did keep it in first gear the whole time. I'm definitely loving this camera. This camera is doing the best job ever. I mean, I don't think there's any reason to really upgrade to any other camera. This is the DJI Osmo Action 3 camera. This is the 3. There is already the 4th and the 5th one out. It's been 2 years since I bought this. It's doing a good job. I love it. Works great for the podcast and everything. I'm enjoying the hell out of it. It does everything I need it to do. I don't know if you guys noticed. Got a haircut. Looking nice and fresh. My birthday was yesterday, but by the time this video comes out, it'll be a couple days ago. So yeah, comment down below happy birthday. Shout out to your boy. I'm 22 now. Fucking crazy. But yeah, bro, I love you guys. I hope you had a good time. I definitely had a great time enjoying testing this out. I'm definitely loving the mount. So I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this mount and these attachments with the lanyard as well down in the comment section down below if you want to buy your own and you could test it out yourself. Oh, and the drone as well, because I know they have them on Amazon. You can test it out. You can send me a link to your video and I'll check it out on YouTube to see how yours do. But I mean, mine's doing a pretty decent job. If it had more power, maybe it might be able to keep up better. I'm not really sure. I can't really say. You know, it is what it is. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you can see the next video that will be coming out, whether it's a drone video, dirt bike video, or whatever video, you know, whatever, vlogging and some random ass shit. I don't know. We'll see where we end up next time. See you guys next week. Peace.